What's going on, everybody? Coach Fat here, bringing you that energy through health, through fitness, and through wellness. All right, today we're going to be working with Tabata. I know that's a favorite. We only got 8 minutes today. We're going to be working on our lower body and our core. The only thing that you're going to need is a mat. You're going to need some open space. You're going to need some water, and you will need some form of weight, whether it's dumbbells, kettlebells, medicine balls, anything that you may have. Bring that out because you may need it for today. Now, if you don't have access to any of those things, that's totally fine. All the movements that you see can be done without any equipment. So if you want to go ahead and use this as a body weight workout, you're more than welcome to do so. Just in case you've never done Tabata before, remember Tabata is 20 seconds on, 10 seconds of rest. All right, we got 2 Tabata songs, which means we got 8 moves for one song and we got 8 moves for another song. First set is going to be nothing but the lower body. We're working every single portion of our lower body. Then for our second set, we're going to be working nothing but our core. Okay, it's going to be an all-out burn. Remember, this one round is only 8 minutes. If you would like to take this on for more than one round, you're more than welcome to. If you do so, let me know in the comments below how many rounds you did. And also, most importantly, make sure you let me know what the hardest move was for you and which set out of the lower body or the core set, which one was the hardest for you. Outside of that, I'm gonna get out your face because it's time to get after. You're like, Coach, get out my face, I'm trying to work. My bad, let's go ahead and let's get to work, all right? Let's go, let's go.
Welcome to Tabata. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! Welcome to Tabata. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé. Un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taki, 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 rumba. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. High music, high
3, 2, 1, stop. 3, 2, 1, go.
Taki, taki, ¿quieres un besito de uñaki? Puri explota como Saki, Saki. Prende los motores Kawasaki. En la disco está llena y llegaron los Anunnaki, no le bajes. El puri sobresale de tu traje. No trajo panticito pa' que el nene no trabaje. Es que yo me sé que ella cree que ya se sabe. Cuenta que no quiere, pero me tiene espionaje.
stop. 3, 2, 1, go.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé. Un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taki, 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 rumba. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. High music, high
3, 2, 1, stop.
You say you wanna touch it and tease it and squeeze it. Well, my piggy bank is hungry. You need to feed it. If the text ain't freaky, I don't wanna read it. And don't
3,
let you know
2,
you not
1,
undefeated.
go.
Hey, he said he really wanna see me more. I said we should have a date where at the Lamborghini store. I'm kinda scary, hard to read. I'm like a Ouija board, but I'm a boss bitch. Who you gonna leave me for? Got no class, you bitches is broke still. I'll be talking cash shit while I'm popping my gold grill. I'm a whole rich bitch and I work like I'm broke still, but they love me so
3,
fake
2,
and they hate me
1,
so
stop.
real. El booty sobresale de mi traje, no traje pantecito pa' que el nene no trabaje. Es que yo me sé lo que tú crees que tú no sabes. Dice que no quiere,
3,
pero se
2,
quiere comer
1,
el equipaje.
go.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé. Un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taki, 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 rumba. Whoa, oh, oh, oh.
3, 2, 1, stop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Careful when you come through my way. My body already know how to play. Work it, keep it tight every day. And I know you need a taste when you're falling in love. Give a little, get it well done. Dancing on my, make a girl wanna run. We keep moving
3,
till the sun
2,
comes.
1, stop.
In the party, yo soy fiesta. Blow out your candles, have a siesta. They can try, but no one can stop me. What my
3,
Taki
2,
wants, yeah, my
1,
Taki
go.